This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Taillight assemblies replacement. Open the trunk. Body-mounted taillight assemblies. Using a plastic trim tool, carefully pry out the corner trim piece. Working inside the trunk, remove the taillight housing and carpet plastic retaining nut. Pull the carpeting back and remove the remaining taillight housing retaining nut. Disconnect the electrical connector from the taillight housing. Pull the taillight housing rearward and remove it from the vehicle. Align the studs on the taillight housing with the holes in the body and install the housing to the body. Working inside the trunk, install the taillight housing retaining nut, tightening it securely. Connect the electrical connector to the taillight housing. Place the carpet over the taillight studs and install the retaining nut, tightening it securely. Install the corner trim piece, making sure that the retaining clips snap into place. Trunk lid mounted taillight assembly. Carefully remove the corner trim pieces from each end of the trunk lid, being careful not to break the plastic clips. Remove the trunk taillight housing mounting screws from each end of the trunk lid. Using a trim tool, remove the two plastic housing retaining clips, then remove the plastic retaining nuts. Remove the two rubber covers. Before removing the trunk lid taillight housing, lift it up at each side to disengage the pressure clips. Take note of the clip locations. Lift the trunk lid taillight housing off of the trunk lid. Rotate the assembly on its side for better access, then disconnect the electrical connector from the taillight housing. Remove the housing. Place the taillight housing onto the trunk lid and connect the electrical connector. Push down on the housing to secure it in place and install the two rubber covers. Install the two plastic retaining clips and the plastic retaining nuts, tightening the nuts securely. At each side, install the housing mounting screws and trim piece, sliding them securely into place. Close the trunk.